is what 4 weeks of not having full tanks of water looks like. I took the morning to empty out the little bit of water we have left by doing laundry. I still have so much more because it's like 4 weeks worth plus bedding, but we've run out now officially. So we're gonna head over to that marina and refill our tanks. But while Ryan refills up here, I'm gonna be downstairs in the bathroom doing the last bit of laundry. So we still leave with full tanks. That's the goal.
So we're here at Porto Montenegro filling up. I don't think they're going to charge us. They didn't say anything about payment. He just said, yeah, go to 3 and fill up. Don't stay long. And I was like, oh, okay, thanks. This is such an incredible marina. Hey, buddy.
Baby.
I'm going to go down and help Brittni fill up these water bottles downstairs. So we hold about 600 litres of water, and then we hold an extra 120 litres for these little water bottles that we've collected over time. I'm sorry, Porto Montenegro. I know we said we had about 600 litres of water to fill up, but we've done the dishes, filling up our bottles. Got a couple there still. And Brittni's doing washing. She's done about 8 loads of washing. So we're filling up with water here and the hose slipped out and it started squirting into the tender. I'll just show how much water's in there. So we filled up the tender with water.
So we've just filled up all of our water, filled up some bottles, and did all the laundry. Nobody came to meet us here, which usually they do at the marina. And we radioed to them just then saying, we're all done, are we free to leave or what? And they said, yep, you're free to leave. So we did it, they did it for free, which is really nice. You don't usually get that, usually marinas charge you. So now we're gonna go find our little anchorage that we've gone to before. Jackson's gonna be able to run around on the beach. And he's gonna have a good time and we're gonna have some dinner. And I'm gonna have a shower. Because I'm like a drowned rat after doing all that laundry. My dress is wet and I'm so hungry. We started day 1 of harness training, starting with a sock. He doesn't know how he feels about it. Oh. Oh.
You cut the front arms a bit bigger. Go, buddy.
Good boy.
Oh. You know what? He's finally found a sandy, or somewhat sandy beach, hasn't he? Okay, you Rocky or Torpedo?
He's neither. That's
or Fez.
terrible.
Fez for feral cat. Feznut. Little Feznut. Call him Isabella.
Perfect. So I just came across this little teeny tiny kitten and he's very cute, but the poor little thing is skin and bones and he's got an injured back leg. It's really swollen and he can't walk on it. So I'm wondering if I should take him. Alright, so I stole the kitten. I couldn't leave him there. It was really sad. Just have to wait for Ryan to come pick me up. He said he'd keep an eye out for me, but he's not going to be very happy. I think what I'm going to do is, obviously we can't keep 2 cats, but I couldn't leave him there. So I'm going to try and maybe reach out to some people on social media and see if anybody's willing to help him, whether it's just by donating to his vet bills or something. But I just couldn't leave him there. He's too little and he's too sick to just walk away. All right, he's seen me. He has no idea what's coming. You're not gonna be very happy.
Why? What happened? You found a cat? Oh no, really? You did you? Where was he?
Look at his back leg.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know.
Can you take him to the vet? Yeah.
The vet's closed though. I can't go back, and they close at 2. It's 2:30. He was just curled up in a ball, and when I pat him, he wouldn't move, and that's when I realized there was something wrong.
Oh man, that looks bad.
It's okay, baby. We're gonna try and help you.
We should probably try and. Sorry,
Oh,
buddy.
he's laying on me. Oh.
Oh shit, his poor leg, hey?
It's okay. his bone.
Jackson,
Oh, there's
get back.
pus coming out. It's okay. You're a good boy. He started purring when I put him in the water. I don't see any fleas running around. Oh, I know. It's okay.
It wasn't like that. That was a...
We'll just warm you up like a little burrito. You gonna be like a little burrito?
Alright, buddy?
You okay? They're dirty, but they don't look like nasty. Making coffees this morning and helping burritos.
I got the heater on for him. Hey buddy, you alright mate?
We love little burritos. And we're lucky there's a lady from the UK who's contacted Kotor Kitties, which is the rescue here, and she's coming on Thursday. It's Sunday now, and she's going to foster until they can hopefully find a home.
Hey, you know what? We haven't thanked anyone for the Jackson's Treats thing. Thank you. No, seriously though, I want to thank everyone who donated to help him. It all went towards it. So, and you know what? We've got on our website svsunday.com. We have Jackson's Treats, and it felt so good to save this little dude and Finn down here. Hey, he's biting my toe right now. That goes into a separate account. So that money, if like we don't spend it on fixing one dude, we'll spend it on another dude.
Donate to Jackson's Treats so they can help other kittens like me. Not just kittens, but puppies too. The amount of street dogs we've seen and stuff. We haven't found one yet that's like been desperate like these kittens have, but I'm sure we'll find them eventually.
Yeah, I got Jackson to fit on me. God damn it, guys, relax. Oh.
It's chaos here on Noah's Ark. Jackson is so devastated that this kitten wants nothing to do with him.
Well, he just tries to get as close as he can, guys. Finn, come on, guys, please. I just got out of 7 o'clock in the morning.
The sad thing is, she's so fluffy you can't tell. If you just run your fingers over her, you can feel every single bone in her body feels like, oh, it's just gross, the poor little thing. It's nice and cozy warm now, though, so she's starting to come out a bit. Pretty closed up the whole time she's been here. She's been really dull and a bit depressed since we got her. Can you show everyone your leg? Show everyone your leg. See, it's not nearly as swollen, but now you can really see the bite. Starting to feel better. It's nice to see them when they start getting happy like this, because she's been so depressed the last 2 days. Now I just need to fatten her up. And then she gets to go to the vet tomorrow again for another checkup. Thanks to everyone who donated, and we can do that. Say thank you.
Yeah.
We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. She's so fluffy, it's hard to tell, so I'm just calling her she. Oh, they're playing. Look, he's got one kitten staring at him. He's got another one sleeping on him.
Oh, this is classic. You have to try and zoom in.
What the hell?
Yes. You guys think I'm a creep trying to film it?
It's so embarrassing. There's people around. We need better binoculars.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that
Jackson
Go on,
is
buddy.
too scared to walk past the little
Go.
kitten. Jackson, come on.
Go on.
Not even for a treat.
Go on.
Come on.
Here, I'll do it first. Here, watch.
Oh,
Come on.
oh, you need dad's protection.
Look, he's scared.
is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
He's looking at me over his shoulder. Here we go again. He didn't like that, did he?
No.
Don't mind me, I'm sick. Little baby's going to a foster care and I'm going to be really upset. Because he's fought hard.
He has actually, yeah.
It was really sad the first 3-4 days, not really eating or drinking, really dehydrated.
It's sad to get rid of him when he's like actually starting to make a recovery now.
So I'll probably cry when we drop him off.
I'm gonna get sad.
Hey buddy.
I think I'm sad because I don't know what's gonna happen to him. Have anything to bring him over with?
I will update you.
Yes.
I wish that we had a bigger boat so we could keep him. The hard thing is that he looked really sick and ill, and we nursed him back to looking like a cute little kitten that was just starting to get playful and everything. And then we gave him away. Yeah. And you know what? We couldn't have done that without the help of all you guys. So Kotor Kitties is a great little charity here in Montenegro. Thank you everyone who donated.
That's not cute.
You're not meant to be cute. We're walking to a castle here. You're meant to be barbaric and guns and arrows and conquering and fighting and all the good stuff. Get him on. Look at Brittni's. Oh, shit. Why did I hit my head on that? Brittni's little snacks, like midnight snacks last night. Oh, Brittni, we got a 2-day and 2-night sail. We got to leave. It's 5 a.m. Come on.
I thought it was only 2 days and 1 night.
No. Just go, come on. Come on, Jackson, let's go. See, Jackson's a good boy.
I'm still sick. Gonna take Jackson for his bathroom break.
Yeah, it's fueled up.
Jackson, you excited to go for your walk? He doesn't realize he's about to be stuck on the boat for 2 days.
Do you still go to Albania?
Alright. Look at Jackson. Jackson, are you ready? Goodbye, Kotor.
We're leaving the beautiful Bay of Kotor now, and we're heading to Tivat to get our duty-free fuel and then head out to Albania for, I think it's like a 2-day, 2-night sail. Or not 2 days, about 45 hours depending on the wind. So this is our morning. Good morning everyone. I get used to this. What's up?
I literally do this for you every morning.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when
So in Italy, I think we went to a fuel dock and it cost us $1.70 a litre, and here for the duty-free fuel in Montenegro it was 60 cents a litre. The guy actually said that they've had a few people come in and buy 1 million litres of fuel.
Yeah, that's crazy.
1 million litres. Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Ah, Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me.
Like that.